Controlled folder access in Windows Security is designed to protect your important files and folders from unauthorized changes such as encryption by ransomware. Here is a simple guide on how to protect your files from ransomware in Windows Security. Open Windows Security. Type Windows Security in the search bar and click the result to open it. Navigate to Ransomware Protection. In the Windows Security, select Virus and Threat Protection from the left pane. Scroll down to find Manage Ransomware Protection and click on it. Enable Controlled Folder Access. Under the Controlled Folder Access section, toggle the switch to On. Configure Protected Folders. Click Protected Folders to view the default list of protected folders. To add more folders, click Add a protected folder and select the folder you want to protect. Allow trusted apps. Sometimes, legitimate applications may need access to protected folders. Click Allow an app through Controlled Folder Access. Select Add an allowed app. Then browse all apps. Locate the application executable file and add it. To check ransomware protection events for blocked app notifications, click Log History. Click on the filter drop-down at the top of the protection history page. You can sort notifications by the severity, which indicates high-risk threats that were blocked, such as ransomware or malicious apps attempting to access protected folders. Or you can sort by low, which represents low-risk activities, which is often harmless apps that may have been mistakenly flagged.